Why does scrolling Instagram for hours feel effortless, but 5 minutes of studying feels like torture? Let me be clear, you're not lazy. Your brain has been hacked by software engineers. They've learned how to hijack your brain's reward system to make you addicted to your phone. But the good news, we're going to use that same brain bug to make you addicted to studying. In this video, you'll learn a scientific 7-day protocol to reset your brain. Ready? Let's go. First, you need to understand this. Our brain loves two things. 1. Instant reward. 2. Low energy consumption. Your smartphone delivers both. But studying, the reward is uncertain and it takes a lot of energy. Your brain does the math and says, nah. During these 7 days, we won't fight with willpower. We'll engineer our choices. Day 1 and 2. For the first 2 days, don't study at all. Just build your environment. The rule is simple. Make bad habits hard to access and good habits easy. Don't just silence your phone. Put it in a closet, in another room. Research shows that just seeing your phone reduces your focus by 20%. Set up your desk so that sitting down and starting takes only 3 seconds. Book open, pen ready. Day 3. Ernest Hemingway had a big secret. Always stop when it's going well. Weird, right? On day 3, when you're on a roll and reach an interesting point, intentionally close the book and walk away. This creates an open loop in your brain. Your mind will stay engaged until the next morning, begging you to come back and continue. Day 4. Today is record day. Dr. Andrew Huberman says, dopamine should come from effort, not just the outcome. Turn studying into a game. Set a timer. Ask yourself, can I read these 3 pages in 15 minutes? When you create a small challenge for yourself, your brain releases dopamine to win it. Day 5. Today, we want to lose track of time. To enter the flow state, you need to find the balance. If the material is too easy, you get bored. If it's too hard, you get anxious. You need to operate on the edge. If a topic is difficult, break it into tiny pieces. If it's easy, speed up. Day 6. As long as you tell yourself, I'm a lazy student, your brain will try to prove it's true. Today, act as if. Dress neatly, sit up straight, and tell yourself, I am a professional researcher. Research shows that when you pretend to be a successful person, your brain chemistry changes to match that role. Day 7. The Jerry Seinfeld technique. Put a calendar in front of you. Every day you follow the plan, put a big red X. After a few days, the goal isn't studying anymore. The goal is not to break that beautiful chain of X's. We humans will endure any hardship just to keep a streak alive. Look, this isn't a magic pill. It's a roadmap to rewire your brain. Your brain's neuroplasticity allows you to change any habit, even if you've been procrastinating for years. Start right now, not tomorrow, not next Monday. Get up and prepare your environment for day 1. If you like this video, hit like and comment. I'm building my chain. Until next time, take care.